We are now going to line our top with muslin. And then we're going to put in about a half a gallon of water. Then we're going to heat the water, and then we're going to put our cappings into the water. We're going to add the water to our cook pot. And that should do it right there. And then we're going to plug in our heater. Now our water temperature is up pretty near to boiling. We're going to start adding our cappings to it. And as it melts down, we can keep adding a few more cappings. And the cappings we're using, we pre-wash to get all the honey out of them. You can now start to see the wax starting to melt around the edges there, where it's starting to get hot. We are just trying to stir it up just to get the heat to go through all the cappings and start melting it. And that just helps it melt a little faster. And with this being done over water, the water can boil. You can keep it hot where it'll melt the wax. Now you just want to stir it once in a while until it gets 100% melted. Now when we do this, put your gloves on, because now we're going to remove the slum from the cappings. Oh!
So as you can see, the key here is to make sure the muslin cloth is completely made into a sack, basically, so you don't have it leaking out. This hair will have to be strained again because we had leakage. Not all is lost because we will still remove quite a bit of the dirt and slum. You just kind of squeeze it. If you've ever milked a cow, kind of think of it like that. And you're just kind of squeezing it downward. When you take it out, you can see that you have the black sludge remaining. Quite a bit of larvae in that cappings.
And that's beetle larva. And it's best not to do this in your wife's kitchen because of little
spills like this.
And this will all have to be melted back down and then strained one more time.
All right, and we're back. So, since we had that little bit of a mishap the first time around, we're gonna re-strain this. So we've got a second pot here. We're gonna reuse our muslin cloth and evenly put it over the thing.
Let it melt just a little bit more.
Melt. Okay.
We're just trying to get everything remelted.
Our wax is nice and hot. I'm gonna unplug the heating element so I can pick this up without any cords. Got our corners here, which we still have these little sides that are trying to leak out here. We're gonna pull those up tighter.
And as you keep doing it, the wax will keep running out.
You remember my analogy earlier, it's like similar to milking a cow. And by that I mean, we've got this up here and we're just pulling downward. Pulling down and squeezing it out. Keep in mind, this is hot. We let it get up to boiling, so it's a little bit hotter than normal.
And that's so that it'll help let the water and the wax through the muslin.
And there you have how to render your cappings down and strain them out.